inspirasyon at lakas ng kababaihan, muling itinampok sa isang pagtitipon na nagbigay diin sa kanilang kakayahan na mamuno, lumikha at magtagumpay. Narito ang aking report. Pinagdiwang ang kababaihan at ang kanilang ambag sa lipunan sa ika-6 na International Women's Summit na may temang The Future is Hers, Create, Lead, Thrive sa Samsung Hall, SM Aura bilang bahagi ng selebrasyon ng ika-115 International Women's Day. Sa pagbubukas ng summit, binigyan diin ni Ms. Jika C., VP ng SM Prime Holdings at Head of Design, Innovation and Strategy, ang kahalagahan ng kababaihan sa pagbuo ng mas inklusibong lipunan.
For a long time, women have been relegated to roles that were behind the scenes, more supportive roles. So it's our commitment to really highlight women in every stage of different positions. People need to be able to see themselves in a position and envision where they can be. That's really our goal. We want to make sure that women feel empowered and inspired and are able to uplift not only themselves but one another.
Maraming kilalang speakers ang nagbahagi ng kaalaman at karanasan, kabilang sina Kat Trevino, Joy Spring Trevino, Gabby Garcia, Bel Rodolfo, Gina Romero, Eleanor Aguas, May Layog Madrinian at Erica Dipo. Tinilakay nila ang papel ng kababaihan sa creativity, technology, mental well-being at entrepreneurship, pati na rin ang paggamit ng bagong teknolohiya upang palakasin ang personal brands at komunidad. Sa huling papel, ibinahagi ng mga kababaihang entrepreneurs kung paano nila hinarap ang mga hamon at nagtayo ng inklusibong workplaces. Ayon kay Ms. Amina Aranas sa kanyang panayam,
it's really important to, have some level of self-awareness and truth that you really know that this is something it's really true to your heart. It's something that you are willing to work at. It's something that you are willing to not stop building because it actually doesn't end. For me, building your company, building your brand, building your business, it really is an ever-evolving process and it never stops, so you have to be ready for that and you really have to have the heart for it.
Muling pinatunayan ng summit ang dedikasyon sa pagpapahalaga sa boses at kontribusyon ng kababaihan sa lipunan, sining at negosyo at ang kahalagahan ng pagtutulungan upang makamit ang positibong pagbabago.